Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ring Smarthome with HomeKit Secure video alternatives, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with configuring your Ring Smarthome for HomeKit Secure video alternatives, ensure you have all necessary equipment ready. Begin by ensuring your Ring device is set up and functioning properly. Open the Ring app on your mobile device. Log into your account if prompted. Head to the device settings for the specific Ring device you want to configure. Look for the option labeled Device Integration or a similar term. Select this option to view integration possibilities. Since Ring does not directly support HomeKit, you will need a HomeBridge setup. Download and install HomeBridge on your computer or a Raspberry Pi. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, access the HomeBridge UI via your web browser. From the HomeBridge UI, navigate to the Plugins section. Search for the Ring plugin specifically designed for HomeBridge. Install the Ring plugin by clicking the Install button. After installation, configure the plugin by entering your Ring credentials. Make sure to follow any specific instructions provided in the plugin documentation. With the plugin configured, restart HomeBridge for the changes to take effect. To connect HomeBridge with Apple HomeKit, open the Home app on your iOS device. Tap on the Add Accessory option. Scan the HomeBridge QR code displayed on the HomeBridge UI. Once the QR code is scanned, your Ring devices should appear in the Home app. Assign your Ring devices to different rooms as desired. Now, select a Ring camera to access its settings. Look for the option labeled HomeKit Secure Video within the camera settings. Here, you can enable video recording and notifications. Customize your recording settings according to your preferences. Ensure your iCloud account has enough storage space for HomeKit Secure Video. To enhance security, enable two-factor authentication on your iCloud account if you haven't already. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.